everybody, this is Julie from Nobody's Beauty Guru, and welcome to my makeup collection series. This will be the intro for a number of videos where I go through and catalog exactly what I own in each one of my makeup categories. In the past, I have an entire playlist of my makeup collection and my numbers, but I've never shown you exactly what products I have in each category. Today, I'm going to go through and I'm going to catalog all of that for you and do a giant rundown. This will be split up into multiple videos, so this will be my intro for all of them. But in this series, you will get to see all of the items that I have within a certain category. Whatever is on the title of this specific video is what you're going to be seeing today. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you what I have kept in my collection after all of my declutters. So let me grab all of my highlighters, guys. There are a large number of them. It is no joke. So I've got powders, creams, and liquids, and then also in palettes. So these are just my singles. This is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and I love this one. I had a goal to hit pan on this in one of my projects, and I did. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. I love the way this looks on my skin. Very, very, very pretty. I also have Mary Lou, which is just a good old standby. Mary Lou always does well. A lot more gold. This one's a little bit more peachy. And then I have a full-sized Champagne Pop that I also love. You can see how much. Not quite as much of a dip in that because it is fairly dark. Again, I can make that work. This is one that a lot of people dupe for Champagne Pop. This has been repackaged. I think this is Hollywood Boulevard, and it's been repackaged since Fergie stopped her collab with them, and I don't know what its new name is. But this is one that a lot of people dupe against the Champagne Pop, depending on where you swirl. Like, if I went specifically for this, like, pinky lighter part right here, and I avoided the brown, but it all kind of depends on where you swirl. But this one is very beautiful. I do love it. It was my goal to hit pan, and you can see that waffling down there. I have hit pan on that, which was really exciting because it is a baked domed product, but I really do love that. Then we have a couple here from Becca as well. These are both Opal. I got these as 100 point perks in a Sephora order. It is a beautiful, beautiful gold highlight, and it is stunning. These are both the same. I do have a third one that I'm gifting to a friend, but that one, those two are staying with me. And I have panned one of them before. It does take a very long time, but I'm not mad at it. This is Steel as Kitten, which is technically a single eyeshadow, but I do use this as a multi-purpose as also a highlighter because, guys, look at that. Like, are you kidding me? It is gorgeous on the eyes, but I do keep it with my highlighters. And then I have Laura Geller's Gilded Honey, which I'm trying to hit pan on for a project. You can see a sizable dip here in the middle. This one is pretty stinking gold, and it is beautiful, though. You can see it up here. Kind of sheared out. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I think that they all work really well. So I really like those. So that is 4 that are sample sizes, and then 4 that are full sizes. 8 altogether in the powder highlighters, which is what I had the last time I did my numbers, so no change there. Alright, so here we are with all of my liquid and cream highlighters. I have Trestique in Maldives. This one I did purchase, I think from Haute Look after trying a little sample, and I love this. It's a beautiful cream highlight. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. This is the limited edition Mega Glow Multi-Stick from Wet n Wild. This one is in Marigold Round. And this one is probably the pinkiest, peachiest, like leaning cream that I have. And it, again, is another gorgeous, gorgeous cream. And I do like using cream in the summer. I also have this Smashbox one in LA Lights. And this one came in a little trio sample pack. This one is a good but yellower than these two. But again, a really nice, soft, creamy highlight that I really do enjoy. This is one that I am trying to pan. This is the Algenist Drops in, I don't even know if this has a color, Pearl. And these are getting pretty low. I've been combining this with my moisturizer, and it gives me a gorgeous, gorgeous glow. It's very, very pretty. And then I have Champagne Pop in the liquid, and oh my goodness, it has been a hot minute since I've used this, which is why there's that like little ball of fun in there. This one is very dark. Very, very dark. But mixed in with a foundation or mixed in with a moisturizer, sheared out a little bit, and during the summer, it can work. But it was not my smartest purchase. Again, I fell into that hype train, but it is a very dark color for me, especially when you look at the other illuminators that I have. But it does kind of round out my darker months, so I do keep that. So 5 there, which is, I believe, the same number that I had last time. Nope, that's a lie. I had 6, so I'm down 1. And then in palettes, I used to have 9, but I got rid of the NYX illumination, like highlighting palette, so now I just have 2 in palettes. I have Prosecco and Champagne Pop, and they're both very pretty. So yeah, I've got 2 full-size Champagne Pops, although I believe the one in this is a little bit smaller than the other one. So those are my highlighters, and that's going to round out this particular portion of like the face blush bronzer highlighter portion of my collection. And I will check back in with you for the largest chunk, which is eyes, which is all my single shadows, palette shadows. That's going to be a long one, so stay tuned for that. I hope you've enjoyed this installment of my makeup collection and seeing what I have. If you have and you're interested in seeing more and the rest of my collection, that is to come. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.